Hort Motor Company stands at an inflection point. There's $2.3 billion in value within reach, but capturing it requires looking under the hood all the way down to the chassis. This is that diagnostic. The numbers make the case simply: spend $124 million, unlock $2.3 billion. But before we commit to the full journey, we're asking for 90 days and $2 to $3 million to prove the architecture works. Small entry, enormous upside. $4 to $5 billion a year in warranty costs, another $5.1 billion bleeding from the Model E's broken cost structure. For a company with $185 billion in revenue, it wasn't a quality problem, it was an intelligence problem. We evaluated 20 use cases and narrowed to 6. The crown jewels, warranty defect intelligence and Hort Pro Fleet Health, sit in the high-impact, high-feasibility quadrant. And use case 08 ECO automation is the quick win that builds momentum while the bigger bets scale. Use case 08 is where we start. Telematics and repair data flow into an AI anomaly engine that fires an alert 90 days before a failure cascade hits. The result? Warranty costs avoided instead of paid, live in 6 weeks, $4 million in, $78 million out, 9.6 times ROI. This is how trust gets built. Okay, now let's take a look at use case 08 Eco Automation in action. Welcome to the art of the possible. The dealer that saw it coming. Meet Rachel, EVP of Hort Blue, and she had a question she just couldn't shake.
Why can't we see these failures coming?
The answer was buried in the numbers. $4 to $5 billion a year in warranty costs, another $5.1 billion bleeding from the Model E's broken cost structure. For a company with $185 billion in revenue, it wasn't a quality problem, it was an intelligence problem. The signals were there, nobody had connected them. That changed when Desmond, the tech VP, walked into the room with a diagram instead of a chart.
The signal was always there, we just never connected the data.
4 data streams: telematics, repair orders, parts returns, call transcripts, flowing into a single AI model. The result? Defect signatures detected 90 days before mechanical failure. No competitor held this combination. It was Hort's moat, worth up to $820 million over 3 years.
Okay, but can competitors replicate this?
Not our data, this is our moat.
The broader AI portfolio told the same story at scale. 20 use cases evaluated, 6 prioritized. $2.3 billion in mid-net value against a $124 million investment, a 7.9 times to 37.7 times return. The ask to get started was modest, $2 to $3 million over 90 days to validate the architecture and deliver a board-ready roadmap.
90 days, $2 to $3 million. We validate the architecture, then you'll have a board-ready roadmap.
At 9.6 times ROI floor. We're ready to build. Sir, are we starting the clock today?
Looks good, team. Without question, full steam ahead.
While Horizon 1 stops the bleed, Horizons 2 and 3 build the wall. Hort has an 18 to 24-month window to lock in fleet data dominance before aftermarket competitors close the gap. Meanwhile, generative AI compresses the Model E cost reduction timeline by 6 to 12 months. The window is open, but not forever. 12 months, 3 horizons. By month 4, the foundation is live and generating $180 million in run rate. By month 8, warranty is global and the fleet advisor is scaling. By month 12, we're looking at $1.5 billion in cumulative value. This isn't a vision deck, it's an engine with a schedule. The diagnostic is done. The opportunity is real. $2.3 billion, 6 prioritized use cases, and a 12-month roadmap that starts delivering in weeks. The first move costs $2 to $3 million and proves everything. After that, the engine runs. The data is ready. The team is aligned. The window is open. But it won't stay that way. All that's left is the green light.